Thank you for watching! Tingin na. Hi guys! Mag-uumpisa na tayo sa makeup tutorial. Ayan, pasensya na sa mommy baby hair ko. Sige, umpisahan na natin. As you can see, nagawa ko na ang kilay ko. Kung gusto nyong makita ang makeup tutorial kung paano ko gawin ang kilay ko, let us know. So, unang-una, spray muna ako ng MAC Prep&Prime para mas kumapit to ang makeup. Ni Carlo, may challenge daw. English. Kaya, subukan natin. Aray, nasobrahan sa mata ko. Diyos ko na pala. Ito na nga. English daw. So, saan ako magsimula mag-English? Okay, this one. Usually, pag summer, ayoko talaga ng foundation, ayoko ng masyadong makapaling, talagang yung malagkit. Usually, gumagamit lang ako ng moisturizer, tinted moisturizer. Itong ginagamit ko sa NARS. Kasi meron na rin siyang SPF, kaya okay siya. Tapos tinted siya. Ang color ko ay St.Moritz. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box ko ano yung mga products na ginamit ko. Usually, parang ginaganyan ko lang siya sa face. Parang moisturizer talaga siya. Tapos, ibabuff ko na lang later. Parang ano lang siya, natural. Na hindi masyadong makapal. Kasi di ba pag summer, ayaw mo nang masyadong haggard. Ay, ako nitong this something, MAC Prep&Prime. Kalimutan ko ng English. In the beauty blender and then like this. Just tusok-tusok. Buff yan. Wow, lakas maka-makeup artist. Again, guys, hindi ako makeup artist. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung paano ko gawin ng everyday summer makeup na, yun nga, ginagawa ko. Kaya, huwag niyo ako i-judge. After the moisturizer, I do this one. Hirap. I put, this is called the BECCA Undereye Brightening Corrector. Nilalagay ko to bago mag-concealer. Sabi nila pang brighten daw siya, kaya push. Ayan, makikita nyo agad guys yung difference. Nagbabalatin pala ako. Kunti lang ilalagay nyo kasi sometimes when you flash the camera, it becomes too white. Wow, too white, yeah. See? And then, I use the concealer, my favorite concealer in the world. It's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I use the shade Macadamia. Dati ginagamit ko yung ginger, tapos minimix ko ng custard. Pero buti na lang naglabas sila ng gitna ng kulay na yun. Oh, the side of the nose, like this one, like a triangle shape. And then with the damp beauty blender, you like this, pat pat pat. I use the moisturizer so you can still see the skin within, deep within. Nakakaloka mag-English din. This is my finishing powder just to finish. Just to finish. Para parang hindi mag-crease yung concealer na nilagay mo. Around the eye area, the T-zone only. Because you don't want too cakey. Tapos niyan, pagkatapos ng under eye, pwede mong i-conceal yung mga kemerut mo. The conceal and feel. Conceal and feel. Ano daw? You can conceal your dark spots or if you have pimple or yeah. Siyempre iba pag kailangan talagang pakaking makeup. It means you wear different makeup. You put different kind of makeup if you need to go somewhere else or if the weather is different. You just blend to the skin. Ayoko din masyadong mag-conceal eh. Siyempre, kailangan you show your imperfection. Wow, yon. The back. Yon. And then, after that, pagkatapos nun, ito na ang pinaka-favorite ko. Kung makikita niyo yung mga pictures, mga video, sobrang OA ng blush ko. As in, pinaka-favorite ko talaga yung napaka-OA na blush. Kasi nga, summer, so gusto ko talaga Polaris. Ito ang ginagamit ko. Super love ko to. Glossier Cloud Pink. Marami ako niyan. Iba-ibang kulay, pero ang favorite ko ay itong Haze. This is the best. You just put in your hand a little bit, and then a little bit goes a long way. Wow. I just put it in the apples of my cheeks. You just pat like that. See the difference? Like a natural blush. Pat like this. On the other side, just a little bit of squeeze, and then there's a lot of product coming out. A lot of product you can put in your face. Tapos nun, after this, sometimes I pick up a little bit of product and put in the bridge of my nose. Para kunyari, sun-kissed look. See? It's like very natural blush. After you put the blush, I put a bronzer. I use the Hourglass Radiant Lighting Bronzer. Ambient Lighting Bronzer. Ang hirap. Radiant Bronze Light. It's a very natural bronze. So how I put bronze is just over here, and then just like contour, but not contour. Just to warm up the face. Wow, just to warm up the face. I use this because it looks very natural, so try it on. Try it on. After I put the bronze, just to put in your face, buff it in your face. I used a little bit of contour. I used the Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Brow Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. This is the best. Super natural. It's like grayish and bronzy. Just to contour this face, because to make the face look smaller. See? Look at the dimension. Dimension! Yeah, see? It's like pakak face. And then you contour this one too. So your face looks smaller. Look at the difference. So I use, after I do the contour and the blush, I put highlighter. My favorite is the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. It looks super natural, but sometimes I also use the Mcgrath. I'm so sorry, hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce, pero ilalagay ko na lang ulit sa description box below. Parang cream siya, double-sided siya. Yung isa, it's like a balm, so it just looks natural. Like a natural glow. It's important in summer and during summer to just have a natural glow. Yan. I use the balm first, and then I use the cream blush. This is in number 001. Yeah, I also like the Glossier cream, the highlighter in quartz. It's like this one too. It's the same color. So you can see the difference now. See? You can see that I put just a little bit there, and then in the bridge of my nose. Sometimes with the blush, so that it will stay longer, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Chic to Chic Swish and Pop Blusher in Ecstasy. So with the NARS Kabuki brush, I just put, just to lock in the product. Lock in the product. And lastly, my favorite, curl your lashes. Curling your lashes or putting mascara help open up your eyes. You can see the difference? Perfect. Right? I use the Uemura curling lashes. Curler. Eyelash curler. Uemura eyelash curler. Look at the difference it made to my face. That's the secret. And then this one. I don't usually use expensive mascara because the rule is you can only use it for 3 months and then throw it out. So this is my favorite mascara. It's from L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise. My God. Mga ate, this is the best. Look at the difference, okay? I will show you. See? You can see? Napakalaking difference. Napakaganda. That is just one coat. What more if you put more coats? Look at the difference. See? Look at the difference it made to my face. Perfect. And then after the mascara, I just lock in again the highlighter with the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. But yeah, this is my finishing powder that I said, the Charlotte Tilbury. It's the best. Yeah! Ay! Mahulog. Yes, just like the makeup artist. Dream ko talaga maging makeup artist eh. Super. I actually just learned doing my makeup from the makeup artist that I worked with in Philippines. I owe this to them. So before I put on my makeup, I use this one, the Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask, para hindi dry yung lips. So the lips is ready for some lipstick. So during the summer, I only use lip tints or lip balms because I don't want it to be too heavy. So I just use the Dior Addict Lip Tattoo in Natural Rosewood. Just the color, the lip, like a lip tint. Yes, this is the best too. Matagal siya. This is very long wearing because it says long wear. So it's long wearing. Yes, and then that's it, guys. I am done with my summer makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.